A property condition report for commercial real estate typically provides a comprehensive assessment of the physical condition of a property. It can include details about the structural, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, as well as the overall building envelope. The report often highlights any existing or potential issues, such as maintenance needs, issue concerning code compliance, and safety concerns. It can also address current and prior use environmental factors, including hazardous materials, contamination risks, and energy efficiency. Additionally, a property condition report may discuss the overall condition of the site, parking areas, landscaping, and other exterior features. The purpose of the report is to assist potential buyers, sellers, lenders, insurers, and other stakeholders in making informed decisions about a property by providing a thorough third-party analysis of a property's current condition. The scope of a property condition assessment can be scaled to meet various needs. It can range from simply a basic third-party physical walkthrough review of a commercial property to a detailed engineering report that encompasses a wide range of issues and concerns. For more information, visit our website at realestateassetadvisor.com or call us today at 303-550-0095.